Sup everybody, Help a Dog here, stock and crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Tsotchke coin. I haven't heard it pronounced before, but it's spelled Tsotchke, Tsotchke. This is a very popular token, and it just got a central exchange listing today. It's on the Solana blockchain, and we're going to go over the information about the Tsotchke token and how you can get it in just a second. Before we dive in, just quickly, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt, and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Now, let's get into it. Tsotchke has a market cap of 22.2 million, and it's a very popular project. You can find it on Solana, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, and it's actually trending on both DEX Tools and DEX Screener right now. You can also find it on Birdie as well. It's a fairly new token. It didn't come out yesterday, but it launched about 26 days ago. The pair was created on Radium 26 days ago. This token was made on Pump Fun, a webpage for creating Solana meme coins. The name of the token and its ticker symbol are the same. Currently, the token has a 24-hour trading volume of $29.1 million, and there were 58,400 transactions just today. The price is $2.30 per token, with $1 million worth of liquidity in Radium. According to DEX Screener, 99% of that liquidity is locked and burned. This token is up 9% in the last 24 hours, and it's currently the #1 trending project on DEX Tools. The token is also listed on CoinGecko, and they have social media presence on Reddit, Telegram, and Twitter. As of now, they have 8,670 holders, and their total supply is nearly 1 billion tokens. Their DEX score is 99 out of 99, and they've had a quick audit by Quick Intel Security, which you can find on DEX Tools. It shows the contract is verified, no honeypot, and no modifiable taxes. However, remember this is a quick audit, not a full one. Today, Tsotchke got listed on Bitmart, XT, and Mexc Global. If you're looking to get this token, you can do so easily. You can trade it on Radium using a Solflare or Phantom wallet. They also have a GitHub for developers and researchers interested in quantum computing and machine learning. The project itself is focused on spin-based quantum computing, which is a complex system designed for studying physical phenomena using quantum mechanics and machine learning. It has applications in quantum computing, material science, and AI. If you want to learn more about the technical aspects, you can check out their GitHub, which contains multiple research papers and details about the framework they are working on. For the community, they have a Telegram group with 4,535 members and 919 online. You can join and discuss the project with other community members. Their Twitter also has over 6,900 followers. So, that's the overview of the Tsotchke token. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this project. Do you think it's a good investment or not? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for daily crypto updates, where I cover the newest coins and tokens, their info, and utility. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day, and peace out.